guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add highlights and shadows to your text on Canva. So I'm just going to write something with a bold font. Hopefully you can find one. I'll just use this one, why not? I'm just going to type in water, because again, why not? And I'm going to color it green, because I don't know why. I'm going to change this as well to a brighter pink maybe, or a darker one. I would type in watermelon, but I know it's going to take me ages to do the shadows. Sorry. Anyways, select the marker tool. Not this one, this one. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Can adjust the weight here. Find that same green and find a lighter color, or select the green here and make it like lighter. And you're going to start drawing some highlights on top of this. I'm just doing this randomly because I don't have the time. Okay. You can also add in some shadows if you really want to. That is not the correct shade at all for that. Again, just doing this randomly. Okay. Once you are done, you are going to basically remove the text. So I'm just going to press X, and I'm also going to make the background color neutral. Let's download that as a PNG here and make sure the background is transparent. Okay. So I'm gonna get that. Oh, let's just delete this one, and it's going to paste this. Let me just pink again. Going to get that highlight from my files, and I'm going to place it there. Make sure you place it at the top of your text, and you're just going to adjust that once again to your text here. Just try to do it as good as you can, as best as you can, like this maybe. Then go to edit image, and you're just going to blur it out. You can adjust it. Go to whole image and blur it, and just go back and see if you like it or not. If not, just go back to blur, and you're going to adjust it. Maybe it's too much, maybe it's not enough. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.